This is the most penal provision under the Income Tax Act. It's called Section 160. Avoid non-arm's length property transfers when you owe a debt to the Canada Revenue Agency. If the debt is considered foreseeable. If you feel like you're going to have a debt in 6 months and you transfer your interest of your house to your spouse is deemed to acquire that debt. CRA will assess your spouse of her share of the debt. So let's assume you transferred a $100,000 house to your wife and you owed $50,000 to CRA. Your wife is now deemed to have owed CRA $50,000. It extends to non-arm's length, so brothers, sisters, family, any family member. It's considered a fraudulent transfer. It's applicable when, like I said, the debt has transpired. So if you owe the debt yesterday, or you think you can owe the debt in 6 months. My firm actually will handle those matters for you. Observe the time limits. One of the biggest things we notice, and you may have received a letter called a Notice of Reassessment after you filed your income tax, maybe 2 years later. Observe the timeline. The date is on the upper right-hand corner. You have 90 days to file a notice of objection.